Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. We all know how important it is today to maintain customer information for a huge number of customers. This information is crucial as it helps us in customizing aging reports, sending collection letters, or even calculating the day's sales outstanding. But the question is, how do we maintain this huge amount of information for each of our customers? D365 offers a very simple process when it comes to maintaining a huge amount of customer information. The tool aims at creating a repository of information wherein collectors can create a new customer account or set the collections and payments default of each customer. In this course, we will discuss how to add a new customer to our database, including all their essential information and metrics. Now let's see what we're going to cover in this tutorial. Here, we're going to discuss why we need to group our customers and what are bad transaction and payment defaults. First, let's understand why we need to group our customers into payment segments. Customer groups, in most cases, are used to financially categorize your customers. Sometimes, they can also be used as filters in AR and sales reporting. There are few defaults like terms of payment or write-off reasons that can be set on the customer group. These defaults then will be applied to each of your customers within that group. Next, let's understand what is a bad transaction. A bad transaction is an expense incurred by the business once the repayment of previously extended credit to the customer becomes uncollectible. A bad transaction is a contingency that must be accounted for by all businesses that extend credit to their customers to avoid the risk of not receiving payments. Now that we have understood what are bad transactions, let's move on to understanding what are payment defaults. Payment defaults are a set of guidelines you set based on how you want your customers to pay you. These defaults can vary from customer to customer. Some of the payment defaults are terms of payment, payment methods, bank account details, or maybe even payment day and cash discounts. So, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you were able to understand all the basics you need to know while maintaining your customers' information. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from Hayako.